Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're here in the mall checking out what restock or leftover. Let's go. Alright, so first up, let's see what they got here in Champs. Oh yeah, they got some 13s, but looks like they are some grade school. There you go. Well, they got this one and a lot of this one. $59.99 on New Balance. No leftovers. Let's see, JD Sport. Do they got something here leftover? Oh yeah, they got something. They got extra 13s. They got Jordan 1 mids new in the store. Well, let's see if I got my size. Maybe 10 and a half. I'll take one. I'll guess 10 and a half. Okay, I'll take the 10. Yes, sir. Here in the women's section, mostly Air Force One. No Jordans. We got some of the utilities. Looks like a small size. Jordan for Lightning. Oh yeah. No 3Y. So I'll pass. Kids section. Look at this one. Alright, so this one's gonna be a good one for the kids, grade school, because you could try to paint this one. So it should be good. What do you think? You'd like to paint it if you want to. Good and very creative for the grade school to have them. Are those easy? I don't know. Ozilla. I'm not really sure. It looks like Yeezy far away, but hey, people comment down below. What is this shoe? It is Adidas though. Adidas, but looks like Yeezy. You got men's sizes on this one? Alright, so bag is secure on JD Sport. Let's check on Jimmy Jazz. Oh, looks like we got something. Some Jordan 1 mids. Jordan 1 mids splatter. More Jordan 1 mids. Yeah, well, they got also the Jordan 1 mids. And the Bordeaux. So not much the Jordan here on Jimmy Jazz. Alright, let's see on Foot Locker. We got something. 13s. Size. What is size 12? Alright, we got one here. Moonlight. Size 6 and a half.
Alright man, have a good one.
Thank you. Alright, not bad though. Not bad. We got also on grade school another Foot Locker and a second mall. They got the 13s and they got some Yeezys. Grade school. Okay, what is this? Man, what's this? Looks like Levi's or something? I haven't seen this one in a different store. Yeah, it feels like denim. Yeah, it feels like denim. Wow. I'm gonna check this out. We got 10 and a half. Alright, so we got our pair on Foot Locker. Let's see on Champs, buddy. Okay, we got something down here. Looks like we got the Moonlight and the IE. We got 10 and a half Jordan 1 mid, and it is also denim. Grade school, we see Jordan 1 Fallen 5. So we got our pair on Foot Locker and one pair on Champ. Now we're going to check out kids Foot Locker. Oh yeah, they got some grade school, and they got also the Pollens. Got 6 and a half. What size this one? Oh, 5 and a half. Too small. Those are a crazy Jordan 1. I spotted something down here. Look what we found. We got some SB Dunk sitting down here. Oh man. No, looks like SB is dying down. I'll take them. This one on Foot Locker, we got the Air Jordan 5 Retro. We got the cold gray white or the moonlight. We got the 6.5, and this is the only pair that they got in the store on 9.5, means 6.5 size. So they also have another one, 5.5, I think. And man, well, the quality of leather is decent. Pick one on Foot Locker, sitting on Foot Locker. All right, so next one, Air Jordan 1 mid, hemp white gum yellow. So retail is 120. Why are these Jordan mids are getting expensive and expensive? Last time I checked, it was 100. It becomes by 15. But hey, man, look at those. What do you think on this one? It is Jordan 1 mid, but the color blacking is like, wow, pretty nice. This gonna be a good hold for a while, even though I think it might gonna go have a lot of stock soon, because I just saw this one on the store, and this one is my first time they had it on JD Sport. Haven't find it yet in the other store. So wow, nice gum bottom though, and this should be a good investment, especially the color blocking. When you see this kind of color blocking, the white and solid color, and then another white here, the solid color all around, man, this should be a good hold. But ooh, it's tempting me, man. I'm getting tempted. Well, if it's gonna be my size, 10.5, but I should fit. I could fit on 10. I could fit. Alright, that is on the first mall. Let's go get the one that we got in the second mall. Second mall, starting off, we got the Air Jordan 1 mid. Great school. Pick up another one of this one. I already got me a few of this one in holding them. We got a Jordan 1 mid Poland. Great school. Yeah, I still had to. I mean, yeah, gotta hold them. These are, I picked them up on Champs, so it's still worth to wait to get them and invest on them, because also I'm gaining more points on buying them. So probably I may gonna do a quick clip or a little bit long hold, but hey, that one's at a grade school, so I think it's still worth to hold them. And then next one, this one I got it from, this one I got it from Kids Foot Locker. I can't believe they were sitting in the store. Nike Dunk Low, grade school, white, bright crimson. Retail is 85. 7Y. Okay. Well, what is your thought on the colorway on this one? Man, it's nice. Okay, this should be an easy, quick fix. You could just change the laces into white, then it's gonna be much better colorway. Yeah, I know that's the resale on this one is not pretty high, but looking into the other colorway, which is the Kentucky colorway, it is more expensive than those. So I think quick and easy fix, trying to change the lace and then just leave the sources. That's okay. That's gonna be a additional thing. And look at this side. And this side, it looks like, if I'm not mistaken, it looks like colorway fragments. And this side, I'm not really sure what kind, but hey, still not bad on those. Or maybe you could paint it black or maybe blue. Yeah. What do you think of those? Two pairs on this particular Jordan. I asked my size 10.5, and when I asked my daughter to go pick up one, she picked up the size 9. But let's pop that open. Boom! Who would have thought, man? Okay. All right, so kinda My first time seeing this on the store. I haven't seen them in the other store. This one, it's look like a Jordan 1 Levi's. If you can see the shoes, it look like Levi's, the tag of Levi's. And then the toe box and right here in the medial and lateral side, it comes also with a denim all the way to the tongue. It's also a denim. Man, it looks really nice. I like it. And the leather kind of look, yeah, it feels like nubuck. Yeah, it feels like nubuck. I haven't had any denim shoe ish in my collection yet, so this gonna be my first one in the collection. And I'm glad I went in the store today and check out if they got something. And hey, pick up my size denim. Ooh. What do you think on this one? The retail on this one is 110. The resale value right now, as of the moment, is somewhere 195, and somewhere 8 listing and a lot of already sold. So that one is pretty cool, pretty nice. And Jordan 1 Low denim. Ooh, I like it. Or denim Levi's. So what do you think on this pickup for today? What is your thought? Which one is the best one? I think as based on my research, this is gonna be a good long hold. This one's gonna be a quick flip, medial quick flip. It's just SB. I don't want to hold that much SB. And then this one's gonna be in the collection, and the size 9, I'm gonna still resell that one. Wow, I'm gonna go back tomorrow. Okay, with that said, what do you think on the vlog for today and the pickup for today on the mall? If you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you